Hi, Mr. Bledsoe. Today we're going to be talking about the function of y equals square root of x. This is my Unit 4 video assignment and the second part of our Unit 4 test. So this is what our parent function of y equals square root of x looks like. It just simply starts at the origin and extends upward and outward. It doesn't continue underneath the x-axis because then it would not be considered a function because it wouldn't pass the vertical line test. So my transformations I decided to do to my function are this: y equals -4 radical x plus 2 minus 3. So let's look at the different types of transformations that I'm going to do and what happens. The negative sign means that a vertical reflection will occur to the function. First of all, the 4 that is in front of the radical means that the function will have a vertical stretch of 4 and that it will stretch or grow. The plus 2 that is under the radical, which is very important, means that the function will shift left 2 units. The -3 that is not under the radical means that the function will shift down 3 units. So let's go ahead and follow through with these transformations. So we move it over 1, 2, left 2 units and down 3, and so that's the new point, and then you're going to take this part and flip it over until it looks like so. And then you're going to lessen the curve and stretch it out farther by 4, and so this is what it looks like. Now it's important that we note the the domain and the range. The domain is for the x coordinates and the range is for the y coordinates. So we'll notice that it begins here at -2, -3, and continues downwards and to the right. So we'll look -2, -3, and so it starts here and then it continues downwards into the positive part. And so this means that x is greater than or equal to, since it's right here at the -2, it's greater than or equal to -2. As for the y, which is the up and down, it begins here at -3 and continues downward. It doesn't continue upward. If it were to continue upward, then it would be positive coordinates. So we know that it begins here at -3, so that y is less than or equal to -3. In this case, this function does not have any asymptotes, simply because if it did, then it would have to continue at this point, and then the function would not be considered a function. It would then be a sideways parabola, but then it would not pass the vertical line test into a function.